Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Priyanshu Placement Solution. Friends, today's video is very important for all freshers guys, right? Till 2021. Okay, because guys in today's video we will discuss about HCL off campus. It's a great opportunity, or I think last opportunity for 2021 student. I am not sure is it the last or n number of last, right? So let's discuss. So before discussing, if you have not subscribed our YouTube channel, please subscribe and don't forget to click bell icon button. The hiring is for guys 2020, 21 and 2022 students, right? So I think this is the last hiring form, I think, from HCL, in which they are asking for 2020 batch guys, in my opinion only, right? Because nowadays 2023 is also there, right? And few companies have already started for 2024 students, right guys, hiring for 2024 4. Okay, so that's why I am saying those who are 2020 pass out, right? 2020 pass out, those students can apply right now. Don't ask me in comments or what is the last date of apply, because guys this type of form is expiring very soon, right? The validity of this type of form, right, is very less, right? So that's why I'm saying apply right now, right? Go to the link below, apply now, and nothing. If you want you can read, Hannah. In this one let me show you some more things. B.Tech you have a 70% with and in 10 12 also you have a 65%, because in the form they have mentioned 65%. Let me show you one more thing. Just wait. Country, alternate number, nationality, year of passing out. Yeah, so in this one if I put 56, then it will not take guys, right? They will give shown one error, that is 65 to 100, right? So in 10th or 12th you have a 65% guys. Okay, so make sure if you have 65% guys, then only you can apply. Else if you put fake percentage or CGPA at a time of joining, at a time of document verification, they will terminated you, right? So don't do this type of thing. The next thing is 12-month service agreement is there guys. Approx they will ask you 1 LPA, okay, 1 lakh for this agreement, I think, not sure, right? The next thing is joining location is pan India, maybe Pune, Chennai, Bangalore, Hyderabad or Noida, any location they will give you. Last thing is if you have already working in HCL, then guys don't apply in this requirement, they have clearly mentioned, right? So this is the basic form. I hope I have already told all the information to you and you got all the information from my side, right? So if any doubt, any query, let me in comment box. I will try to resolve your query as soon as possible. The next thing is if you have not subscribed our YouTube channel, there please try to click on subscribe and try to share this video with your all friends and try to share this video in your college group, so that guys all students can apply in this hiring and updated with all the hirings and placement material, plus last slot or some exam slots solutions. Okay, as I told in last video also ki if you got our video notification, try to watch it guys, because every video is some related to all students. So try to watch daily basis. Okay, so thank you for watching this video guys. We will meet on next video with some hiring or some placement material or some last slot or year questions with solution. If you want any type of training, any type of content, any type of solution, you can ask me in on WhatsApp or in comment as well. Okay, so thank you friends, we'll meet on next. Take care, bye bye, and apply now only. Okay, don't be late and don't comment, don't message what is the last date. Clear guys? So go and apply, and if any doubt query, let me in comment box. Okay, so take care, bye bye.